Guys! Oh my god, no, my left controller, please stop it. Please, I need this. Stop it, controller. Oh god, he's shooting me.
Everybody circle around, guys.
Circle, we don't, here.
Connect arm length.
Look,
Connect your arm length.
Look up.
connect your arms. Hey, no, stop. Hey, everybody, let's do the gorilla tag trend. Come on. Come on, go! To almost 3 years of gorilla
They
tag.
should make like the last firework.
Almost 3 years.
A monkey.
Gorilla. Like a face, yeah.
Yeah.
Guys. We're big.
Been
We
3
did
years
it.
and we finally have something
Hey,
that
guys.
can like live
Guys.
action.
Everybody, on 4th of July, it's gonna be a special event. Some of fireworks we just did.
Wait, who's
I'm not
last?
even gonna
Can I tell you what? I bet it's gonna be one big firework saying thank you for playing.
That's gonna be amazing if it is.
Face in one of the things.
I just got all of that on camera, bro.
Slip a slide.
I wasn't recording. I'm gonna start recording.
See, I have a YouTube channel. I'm about to post this, bro.
I'm going to make a VR YouTube channel. Normal one. It's just buy an editing software.
All right, we just had.
This is very
Yeah, but you have to
every
have the
lobby
watermark.
is the
You want a watermark.
It's just 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 of us guys, everybody. All 4 of us can here.
You're also taller.
I'm pretty
I'm tall for.
Hey, you're 12. You sound like you're 19, bro.
I get that way too much. And the thing is, this is my high pitch. This is my higher pitch voice. This is my real voice if I let my vocal cords relax.
Jesus Christ.
I gained like an extra 4 or 5 years.
Bro becomes a 19-year-old on command. Happy New Year, guys. What? What the? What is your Wi-Fi? What is your Wi-Fi?
This dude's lagging.
I know. He just tagged me from 90 feet away. I got you on that one.
I like your back.
Yeah, you got me on that.
Here.
This dude's playing on McDonald's Wi-Fi.
You said you were 12, so 12?
Turn up your brightness then.
He knows how to traverse on
Dang it.
It is? Jesus Christ.
No.
Gotcha.
Why was it bad?
GG.
Oh, that wasn't really
You.
No.
How old are you? I'm 12 years old.
So you guys listen to the new album?
I hit puberty very early.
Bro, I'm 12 years old. I'm starting to hit it.
It's great, dude, bro. Shoot.
He echoed.
I'm gonna answer to you guys.
No, we're not. No music, please.
Rock.
My controller.